through a few recent transactions, I realized that many times buyers and sellers will act like parents when engaging in real estate transactions. The first way I've seen that buyers will act like parents is that they will often have a power struggle with repairs and say things like, upgrade the AC unit, or I'm going to cancel the deal, or do this or that repair, or we'll walk away. It sounds like their parenting ultimatums are put to work, like when they say, do your chores or you can't play video games, or eat all your vegetables or you won't get any dessert. Skilled agents with experience of doing hundreds of sales can help buyers gain valuable perspective that they may be getting a one-of-a-kind deal, even if they accept the home in the current condition, so they should stick with the deal. Or a great agent would be able to help the buyer to know with confidence that there are other properties that would meet their needs better and that they should cancel if the seller doesn't complete the repairs.